Hola! Estamos en España ahí. And here in Cerdanyola, even though it's March, it's really hot. And I got me an ice cream here, but in the matter of cooling, there are even better ideas around me. The clever system I want to show you is located at the edge of Cerdanyola, where a big new urban area called the Parc del Alba is being built. When finished, 15,000 people will live here and there will be 40,000 jobs. The energy for the buildings is provided by a so-called polygeneration plant, which produces electricity, heating and cooling at the same time, and this makes it a lot more efficient. Oh, by the way, that's our team now. Toby and Sophie came on the set. Arthur is gone, as well as the director Carl. He's here at the Japanese Summit for Energy Autonomy.
Yes, hello to everybody and thank you that I can speak here.
こんにちは皆さん。今日はご来場ありがとうございます。
So now I'm the only director of the film for a while. But back to polygeneration. First, big generators produce electricity. Doing so, the engine gets very warm. But here, this heat is not wasted as in standard power plants. It's transferred to the big machine room to provide heating and mostly cooling. That works because the heat is used to warm a special cooling liquid which takes a lot of heat from water when it evaporates. The heat and the cold are then distributed through a district heating and cooling network with big and very good isolated pipelines. At the end, they are used either for heating or air conditioning. First building to be connected to this network is the Synchrotron, which contains elaborate research equipment as well as offices. The Pioneer deserves some extra shots. In the matter of cooling, the Cerdanyola Concerto project has even some more tricks to offer. This residential building, for example, does not need a lot of cooling energy because of its good insulation and a natural ventilation system, which is part of passive cooling. Do people here also have some ideas for sustainable cooling?
We use those things that are between the outside of the window and the window. It's the blind. I think it's the blinds.
These things that are very important is to isolate the houses, your home, with materials. It's one thing that for sure you will save money and also it will be good for the environment.
And also they are planning a solar cooling plant here, which I think is a great idea. But also now the results are really significant because due to the polygeneration plant they save up to 27% of their primary energy. Our next stop is going to be Vitoria-Gasteiz, also in Spain. Our topic there is going to be social awareness.